right, I'm here at Black Mountain. It's one of the hikes that I do quite a bit, but I haven't videoed so far for some reason. It's a great hike. It's kind of the alternative to Camelback Mountain. So if you're in town and you want a hike to do that's not really crowded, but is comparable to like Echo Canyon and Camelback, this is a great hike. I'm out in Cave Creek and gonna catch some sunset views. So come on, let's check it out. Well, right now I'm balancing getting up there before it gets dark and enjoying the sunset and filming. So I'm gonna try and get a lot of shots, but my priority is to get up there just in time for the sunset. All right, well, definitely as steep as I remember it, but onward and upward. Woo! Windy overlook. Oh, it is really windy, but absolutely beautiful. I'm just at the first little overlook and I'd love to stay and take some pictures, but got a little more hiking to do. And as you can see, the sun is going down real soon, so gotta beat that. Well, the sun is behind me. It's still up. I think I'm gonna beat the sunset. It's a wee bit windy, so we'll see about getting the drone up there, but it's gonna be a gorgeous sunset up top. See, the flag is right there. Is the American flag and the summit right up top. That's the summit right up there. There's the sun going down on a very windy evening. See the American flag? American flag's coming into view. There's the last of the sun. Let's go up and check out the sunset. All right, I see the flag. It is. Here we go, Black Mountain Summit. All right, well, that is the hike. I wish I could have got a little bit more footage, but it was pretty windy, so it was hard to film even with a tripod. But it's gorgeous up here. I'm just kind of up here enjoying the sunset, and I brought a headlamp with me, so I'll probably just enjoy the sunset and head back down. This is a great hike to do, especially if you don't like how busy Camelback is. I saw maybe 10, 15 people coming up here, so it's never too crowded. It's a great hike, and as you can see, amazing views. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.